How you doing? And today we're going to look at the min and max function in SQL Server. We're going to use AdventureWorks 2019, so you can grab that. I'll provide a link to it. You can install it. It's all free of charge, and then you can follow along to the tutorial I'm about to do. Now, we'll also go over what a function is, what it isn't, how we can use the two functions on their own, together. And obviously, if you've got any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like it, hit like, hit subscribe. And if there's any tutorials you want me to do, also let me know in the comments. I'll have a look and I'll upload it onto YouTube for me. So I hope you enjoy it. Enjoy. So firstly, it's important that we understand what is a function. Now, a function is just a set of SQL statements or a set of code that's going to perform a specific task. Now, that task might be adding or subtracting or converting a string for us. It might be, we might convert UK time to US time. So I'd have a function where I'll pass in the UK time and it will return the time in New York. Or it might be converting kilograms to grams. So I'll pass in a 1 and it'll tell me that's 1,000 grams. Now, so if you've got any reusable code where you're going to write a chunk of code out that you think you're going to need again, that calculates all this stuff for you, you can turn that into a function and it makes your code more simplified, easier to understand, and it saves you loads of time going forward when you're writing out scripts. Now, it is worth remembering what a function can't do. A function can't insert or update. It can't process anything for us. It's just in this case, the function is going to return us a result and it's going to tell us the max birth date for something, and then we're going to look at the early one, the other function, and well, let's have a look at these. Let's have a look at the results. So we've got everything from the human resources employee table. So if I use the max function, it's going to tell us just the oldest record, the oldest birth date in that result set, which is the 31st of May 1991. So let's have a look at that. We can look at the birth date, and we can do order by birth date. And we can confirm that where the max, the oldest one, will be 31st of May. So let's do min and let's check our results. It's going to be 17th of October 1951. So I'll get rid of this. It's going to be min. I'm going to wrap it in a bracket either side. Doesn't need to be ordered. And we've got 17th of October 1951. Now what you can do, you can use them together, but we're going to group by gender, and so this is going to tell us the oldest and the youngest male and the oldest and youngest female. So we can see the oldest record or the latest record to the youngest person is going to be the 31st of May 1991. The oldest person, because it's the smallest date, is going to be the 27th of September 1952 for a female. Likewise for male. And that's how you can put them together. A really handy little function to use. You will come into it lots and lots, but it's worth understanding how they work, what they can and what they can't do. But any questions, obviously, let me know.